you completed these questions? Raise your hand. Right, if you didn't complete the questions, what was the reason for not completing?
I didn't understand.
Right. Okay, so we are doing 2B. Right? 2B. Right? 2.1. Can I have your attention? Can I have your attention? Alright, so for 2B, we are supposed to determine the value or the values of x. Okay? If the terms form a geometric sequence. Therefore, our first term is 4x minus 3. The second term is x. The third term is 2x minus 5. Alright? Now, first thing, find the common ratio R. So, the common ratio, I'll say T2 over T1. In fact, since we want to find the values of x here, I need you to be aware that the common ratio is also equal to T3 over what? T2. Right? Therefore, if I want to find x, I just have to equate the first ratio to the second ratio. So that will be x over 4x minus 3. This is equal to 2x minus 5 over x. Okay? If you want to solve for x, you have to use the fact that the common ratio is the same. Okay? So T2 over T1 is equal to T3 over what? T2. Then you cross multiply. Now, can I have your attention? This is very serious now. I'm very serious about this. To simplify this, it's grade 11. Okay? So you cross multiply. You get 2x minus 5 times 4x minus 3. Right? Then obviously, use FOIL, that's grade 10. It's a shame even to talk about it. That's 8x squared minus 6x, okay, minus 20x plus 15. This is equal to x squared. Okay, then let's simplify that. If I take the x squared to the right, I'll get 7x squared. So you get 7x squared, right? 7x squared minus 26x plus 15. Minus 26x plus 15. This is equal to 0. Right? Now, to factorize this, it can be a problem. The best way to use the quadratic formula quickly. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Our b is negative 26, so you get 26 plus or minus the square root of minus 26 squared minus 4 times 7 times 15. Right, this is all over 2 times 14. So 2 times 7 rather. Right? Then tell me the two values of x.
3 and 7.
Huh?
3 and 5.
Okay, I need one person to tell me that.
3 and 5.
X is equal to 3 and x is equal to 5 over 7. Okay, you see, if there are many voices, it affects. Alright. Okay, listen. So, this is what you're supposed to have done. You get two values of x, which means you're most likely to get two sequences because you have two x values. Alright? So I've answered the first part of the question. Then the second part says, determine a formula for the nth term of each sequence Because we have two x values means we are supposed to get two sequences. Okay? So let's substitute both of them. Okay? I'm going to start with x equal to 7. Sorry, x equal to 3, rather. I'll start with x equal to 3, then I'll do x equal to 5 over 7. Yes? Alright. So, to do 2.2, we'll say when x is equal to 3. Okay? When x is equal to 3. Remember, the first term is 4x minus 3. The second term is x. The third term is 2x minus 5. So if I substitute x equal to 3 here, I'll get 4 times 3, which is 12. 12 minus 3, I'll get a 9. Then this is a 3. 2 times 3, that's 6. 6 minus 5, I'll get a 1. Right? And remember, the sequence is geometric. So the common ratio will be T2 over T1. So that's 3 over 9. And that will give you a third. Yes, it's geometric.
We are going to discuss the whole thing now. So can we go back?
Go back where? Right, if I'm too slow, listen. If I become too slow, won't finish term 1 way. And I don't think you'll be happy. Some of you will complain. Okay. That's why I'll send you a PDF later, and I'll make a video of it. If you miss the lesson, you've got 2 ways to catch up with them to write. 2 ways of catching up. What a privilege you got. Yes, it's a privilege. All right. Yes. Yes. All right. Can I have your attention? Can I have your attention? I need to finish this first part. All right. So, what are we trying to find here? Well, let's go back and see. The question was saying determine a formula for the nth term of each sequence. Right? So I found the common ratio. It's a third. Therefore, if I want to find the nth term, is Tn equals a times r to the power of n minus 1. Right? What is our first term? It's 9. The common ratio is a third raised to the power of n minus 1. Right? You can leave your answer like this, or you can simplify it if you want. Okay? If you decide to simplify it, you must convert the 9 to a base of what? Of 3. So that you can write the answer as 3 squared times 3 to the power of minus n plus 1. I know someone might say, what is he writing? I'm using exponents. Okay? First law of exponents. I hope you are all aware. Can I have your attention? 1/3 is the same as 3 to the power of minus 1. Do you remember that? And 9 is 3 squared. So, actually I was supposed to show you this step. 3 squared times 3 to the power of minus 1 raised to the power of n minus 1. So you must have that step first. Right? Then you just add the exponents, but to remove the brackets, you multiply the exponents. So you get minus n plus 1. So your final answer, you can write it as 3 to the power of minus n. Now, this 1 here adds to that 2, so you get plus what? Plus 3. You can leave your answer like that. If you can't simplify, then you stop here. But stopping here is fine. But to me, the best answer would be that one. Are you following? Okay, Jen, what's your question?